Welcome to the Create Moto garage in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. We're excited because we have a brand new product that we're going to start applying to all the bikes in our garage. The product is from DiTEC. It's called Protek 1. According to DiTEC, Protek is a better than wax and ceramic alternative that protects paint and gel coat surfaces. So unlike ceramic, this stuff isn't supposed to crack. It's supposed to bend and flex with the plastics and the metal that's on the bike. Now what it's supposed to do is protect it from all the nasty stuff that we see on the road, the bugs, the gas, the oil. Now the point of this is to make cleaning a lot easier. So instead of having to use soap and water all the time and do a full clean of the bike, the Protek allows you to just use water or the quick coating that they give you and do a quick wipe down of the bike, and all of that grime and gook that's on the roads isn't supposed to stick to the bike. It'll just wash right off easily. The first step that they recommend is washing the bike thoroughly. So we were on DiTEC'S website. We just ordered some boat soap. You can use whatever soap you have, but we washed the entire bike with their boat soap. So DiTEC recommends as the next step to be this crystal clear. After we wash the bike, we're going to use this crystal clear, which is a surface and glass degreaser. Any of the grime, any of the oil, anything that we didn't get with the boat soap is going to come off with this. We want to have a very, very clean surface so nothing is underneath the Protek when we apply it. So we're on to the last step here, which is Protek. We wash the bike with soap. We then use the degreaser, the crystal clear, to get all the contaminants off the tank and the fairings. And now we're going to move on to Protek. Now with Protek, what we're going to do is we're going to put one coat over these three surfaces. We're going to let it sit for a few minutes. And once it starts getting tacky, that's when we're going to start wiping it off. They have a lot of great videos on their website and on YouTube on how to do this. So the Protek has been applied. They tell us to wait 5 to 20 minutes, which is a long range, but 5 minutes if it's warmer out, more towards 20 minutes if it's cooler out. We're in a garage, it's about 65 degrees in here, so it's going to take a little bit longer. We've waited about 15 minutes, and I can feel that it's starting to tack up. So once it starts to tack up, you're going to have two microfiber cloths. The first one is to wipe off the excess product, and then the second one is just to shine it up, and once you shine it up, then we're good to go. I'm going to start wiping this off here. They do say that you can put on 2 coats for a little bit longer lasting protection. We only did one just because it's supposed to work very well with just one. So we just finished the Protek. I wanted to point out one more thing that they give you, which is this quick coating, which is a quick detailing product. They say on the website that you can use this every 3 months, or at least every 3 months, and it's going to enhance the Protek. Just the Protek will last about 1 year. But if you use this quick coating when you wash the bike, it'll continue to enhance this product and last for up to 4 years. So we're going to see how this product goes. We're going to release some more videos as we go on and as we do these other bikes, and probably a video within the next year as to how this coating worked and how well it stayed on the bike. Thanks for watching me protect this 2017 Ducati Scrambler. We'll see you next time.